So good. Cheesy, buttery, good. Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So doing an easy one for you today, some good old pimento cheese biscuits. So using the easy little canned biscuits. I did these a while back and I was like, I need to do a video on those because those are delicious. And I've always got pimento cheese around all the time, just eating by itself with crackers on a sandwich, grilled cheese on a sandwich as the cheese, you know, burger, whatever else. So, and I found kind of the best mix for me for pimento cheese is I like the jacks on the cheeses, so pepper jack, Monterey jack, Colby jack, and then your preference on the cheddar, mild, sharp, medium, whatever else. But usually I just throw in a cheddar, kind of add that more orangey look to it, and then can of pimentos, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, some hot sauce, then throw in your favorite seasoning. I just use whatever rub I got on hand, most of the time Uncle Steve's, and then let it sit. It's best to let it sit for a day overnight, but you can eat it right away. But this one sat for a few days, so gonna chow into it. I've already knocked out a little bit of it because I'm always chowing down on it. So this is gonna be an easy one, like I said. Get these biscuits open. You just cook the biscuits like normal. You're just gonna roll them out. So I've already got the oven preheated to 350, and I got the butter biscuits, ones that are like butter tasting, what they call or whatever, because they help to add in. Well, I missed the missed the trash can that's about two foot away from me. That's why I didn't play basketball, folks, because I couldn't put it in the hoop there. All I did was football and baseball. So, alrighty. So I'm put on the gloves because it makes it easier so it won't stick to you as bad. So I'm just going to smush these out. Throw in a tablespoon or so, or probably of the pimento cheese, and then we'll rub a little butter on top, Parmesan cheese, and then we'll throw them in the oven. So I'll pull y'all down so y'all can see what I'm doing here, and then we'll go from there. So you see, just kind of just smush them out good. And this is just a cutting board. I sprayed down a little non-stick cooking spray, a little tin foil or aluminum foil, aluminium foil, however you say it. So just gonna smush these out pretty good. So about like that, I guess about 4.5, 5 inches. Then grab me about a tablespoon or so, I guess, of the good old pimento cheese, and then it's just kind of rolling it up on itself. Good, smushing that in. Try to seal it in, because it is probably going to come out a little bit, but that's all right. It's still going to be delicious in there. So I'm trying to smush it together as best you can, then roll it out about like that, and then on the board we go. Get us some butter, rub all over it good, because it's hard to go wrong with more butter with butter tasting. Then a little dash of some Parmesan cheese, and then boom, there we go. So I'm gonna get to rolling the rest of these, and I'll see y'all when I'm putting them in the oven. So I'll see y'all in a second. Alrighty, y'all, got them done here. Just threw on the butter and Parmesan cheese after I got them rolled up and stuffed with the pimento cheese. So now I'm just gonna put them in the 350 degree oven to about just like what the instructions on the can says, and just kind of keep eye on them. If they need a little browner, let them go a little bit browner. And if they're done a little quicker with the butter on top, just take them out. So I'm gonna put them in there and sit and enjoy the smell. And I'll see y'all back when I'm getting them out to chow down. So I'll see y'all in a few. Well, alrighty, y'all, got them done here. So again, super easy, good old canned biscuits. I get the butter ones so you get a little bit more flavor of the butter flavor in it. Squished it out, put in about a tablespoon or so, a little bit more of the pimento cheese, rolled them up, got them kind of sealed up. You can still see some cheese escaped out. I'll throw in a video of them up closer. But then put on the butter, Parmesan cheese, and then in the oven at 350. And then, like the instruction says, I think it's like 11 to 15 minutes. So these were a little bit over 15 minutes to get them kind of that golden brownie type color. Maybe y'all can see that there, but it smells good. So I'll let them cool, I think maybe long enough, so maybe I can it's I don't know, it might be a little molten in there. I see it jiggling around. Maybe it won't burn herself, so we'll go in and take a bite. Whew. Real hot. So good. That buttery, cheesy taste, and then that butter biscuit taste, and all that kind of spice from the cheese, from the pepper jack. Creamy as well. These are good. Super easy too. So a little different spin on a just plain canned biscuit. So if you want something different, go with this. Now, make your pimento cheese at home. Don't go with the store-bought stuff. I'll still eat it, but it ain't near as good as homemade. So again, with it, I just use the jacks, like I said, Monterey cayenne pepper, and then throw in cheddar, your favorite, mild, medium, or sharp. Mix that up. After you shredded it with a little mayo, hot sauce, Worcestershire sauce, your favorite rub, and then the can of pimentos. And I use like one of the big cans, about like that, and let it sit overnight. Boom, there you go. So make these easy, cheesy, and good. So I'm gonna chow on down, because this is the first thing I'm getting to chew on today. So hope y'all enjoyed this one. Hope y'all make it, because it's an easy one, like mine always are. So anyways, y'all like, share, and subscribe if you want to, if you haven't already. When you do, you're welcome on into the Head to Tail family. We'll love you and welcome on in. So thank y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.